So we are at the entrance of New Banana Island. See how the place they were developed. You see as they bounce on top of this road. Before now, now only sand 9 days for year. But you see today, gutter don't day. Yes, so we can don't do the road, and the bridge is almost completed. You don't understand, though. Hey, I said that bridge where you they see like this, if they finish a New Banana Island, go just skyrocket, enter 15 million. So now you supposed to call 09034295 to come collect your own plot of New Banana Island. You understand what they talk? Hey, even I say you don't understand me well. Make I tell you again, say New Banana Island now is just 6 million. And if this road complete finally, you know go get 15 million. If they hear me, so I say New Banana Island is 6 million now. But if this road then finally cover am with crota, because now the only thing will remain for this road, you know go get 15 million. And if they finish the bridge, you know go get am. So waiting the way for sharply come Mama Good News, aka Madam Dollars, and come collect your New Banana Island. The number to call again is 0903429651. Now the entrance of New Banana Island. And Madam Peku I carry and can't give you all the way from Mercy Homes and Properties. And they wait for your call.